Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can see, we've got another pair of trainers. This time it's from a new seller, one that we've not used before, clubkicks.ru. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. There's also a discount code, so if you were to enter MatchUCX at the point of checkout, you can save yourself $20. Again, all that information will be in the description of this video, so don't need to write it down or anything. The shoes took about 10 days to arrive from the point of getting the QC photos, which is fantastic. And as always, they come in the standard FedEx packaging. I'm not going to go all the way around because my name and address is on the other side. But hopefully, as with the other sellers, we do have the box underneath it, which protects the box that the trainers are in. So I will unpack this and I'll show you the box that it comes in. But as a reminder, clubkicks.ru is the seller. If you are new around here, make sure you subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is I'll just give this FedEx a packaging, get that ripped off, and I'll show you the box. So there we go. As expected, you do get one of these little brown boxes that keeps the shoe box nice and safe in. Nothing really much to show. I just wanted to show you what box they do come in, so you know that the box that your trainers come in does not get ruined. So I will get this open and I'll show you what trainers we've got. Okay, so I've now undone the box. I'll give you the first glance of what trainers we've ordered. So these are Air Jordan 3 retros, and if you look at the size, you can see these are UK 10.5, which means they are for me. So this is the box that it comes in. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out with one hand. A wiggle. There we go. Let's just move that one out of the way. Don't need that. But this is the box that these trainers come in, and this looks absolutely fantastic. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it around this way. Let's give you the overview. Sunset always reminds me a new day full of opportunities coming. So let's give you the full tour of the box. Nothing fancy on those sides, and obviously you've seen that one, which give the indication of what the trainers are. The bottom, you've got the information on Nike. There we go. So what I'll do now is I'll flip it over and I'll give you the first look at what trainers we have ordered. And there you go. So as before, I'll get these out and I'll show you each trainer individually. Okay, we've got the trainers out of the box now, and we'll do a look around them, see what we think. I've got to say though, straight away, I'm just going to jump straight to the back. Actually, I love that colour. I think that looks so nice. Although, oh, it's like a lightning bolt. I thought it spelled air wrong then. Let's have a closer look. Air bubble there. Quite like that as well. So it's got the lightning bolts there too. Jumping around to the back, what we've already looked at. Got the Nike and the Air. These look absolutely amazing. Underneath, the grip. Not sure that is under there. You've got the Nike imprinted in. The grip on those looks lovely. And they're already laced up, which makes my life so much easier. The Jumping Man on the tongue is in a nice gold. Been embroidered in. Size wise, as you'll have seen at the start of the video, this is a UK 10.5, so it is for me. Inside the shoe, it's got some tissue paper, just keeping it in the correct shape. And then you can see inside again, you've got the Jumping Man, size 11.5, which is UK 10.5. If I can pull the bottom up so you can see what's underneath. These feel really nice actually. Stitching looks on point as well. Yeah, I absolutely love that colour. Okay, we'll have a look at the other shoe, which is the right one next. Okay, we're back and we'll have a look at this one, so let's move that out of the way. Actually, I've just noticed they do come with orange laces, which would look nice, but I think I'm going to wear these probably with the black ones. I'm not the sort of person that's going to wear out there kind of colours, and as much as I think orange would look nice, I think I'm going to stick to the plain black. I might do a quick bit of googling actually. and seeing what I think. You never know, I might end up putting the orange ones in. Again, you've got the gold jumping man, and in this one you do have, again, tissue paper, all the information on the tongue, and there's the jumping man with the lightning bolts. Back feels nice and strong, nice and secure. And we've not got that black underneath that one, so that obviously was a little bit of a mess up. But all looks fantastic. So what I'm going to do now, as always, is I'm going to take these away for a couple of days. I'm going to wear them around the house, and then I'll report back on what I think to them. And we are back. So I've been wearing these now for the last 3 days around the house. I've not taken this off. When I wear these for work, I will take that off, but for just wearing them around the house, I wasn't too bothered, so I did leave them on. These are lovely, absolutely lovely. I really love, as always with the Jordans, the grip and the support you get around the back. It is absolutely spot on. You can see from the video, hopefully, just how secure and how strong these are at the back, so you know that when you wear them, it's going to be really, really comfortable. I hope you have enjoyed this one. So it is a new seller, so please check them out. There's a link to their website in the description of this video, and also a discount code of MatchUCX. If you put that in, you'll save yourself $20 off any trainers on their website. It doesn't have to be these, it can be any on there. So please leave a comment, message below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and subscribe if you're new. So I really do hope you've enjoyed this one. I do love that orange colour. Easily one of my favourite colours on a pair of trainers. I am still tempted to put these on. I don't think I can pull off the orange, but I think it will just look absolutely outstanding. But we shall see. So thank you very much for watching. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.